How to fix app appearance not showing on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on TechTube. App appearance is a new feature which has been added to Snapchat, which enables you to access dark mode on Snapchat as well. As you all know, previously the dark mode was not available on Snapchat, and with the introduction of app appearance, that now has been changed. But however, a lot of people don't have the app appearance feature on Snapchat yet. Now the main reason this is happening because Snapchat releases any new updates on a rolling basis. So that means you may need to wait out a couple of days or even a couple of weeks before Snapchat adds the app appearance feature on your Snapchat account. Until Snapchat themselves add the app appearance feature in your area, you won't get that feature. Until then, you can also try to update your Snapchat app if you haven't updated to the latest version. Open up the Play Store or the App Store, and if there are any new updates, you can just tap on update. Updating apps helps to add in new features which have been added. So that's the only thing that you can do in order to fix app appearance not showing on Snapchat. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in another video. Thanks for watching.